You get a voice message on Facebook and you want to download it and save it on your laptop.
If you're stinky and you know it, clap your hands.
Across at the right hand side are three little dots. They give you the option to remove or forward the message but not to download it. Go to the top there of the box, click this little down arrow. It opens the option of open in Messenger. Click that one and you probably know what Messenger looks like full page on your laptop. It's the same but bigger, and there's the message. You've still only got the options of remove and forward. Go to anywhere on the page, right click and then click inspect. Quite a complicated dialog box opens, don't worry about that. Go to the top and click network. It gets quite a bit simpler now. It looks like this. Go down and play your message, click play, and as you do so the audio clip that you want appears. Just double left click on it and it automatically downloads to wherever you put your downloads. Mine are under documents, downloads, and if you look there you'll see that there is the clip that we want. It's saved on your computer and you can play it.
If you're stinky and you know it, clap your hands. Oh, you should be clapping.